Hi, so today I'm going to be talking about the CCDC Index Scoring Engine Manager website that I've made. So it looks like this when you first see it, and it'll look familiar to some of you. I know it's used in the Midwest region, but I'm unsure of other regions if they use the same website for Index. So anyways, after I was on Tri-C's team for 2017, and we got second in Ohio, and then we went to wildcards, and this was the first year I did CCDC, and we thought of an idea, well, our judge did, to get the PDFs before they expired. So I downloaded a tool called HT-Track to grab these PDF files. And also at the time, I didn't grab just the PDF files, but I grabbed all of the HTML, like it spidered the whole website. I grabbed the HTML files, I grabbed the CSS, it grabbed the images, the documents, it grabbed everything it could. And this idea to make this project, I wouldn't say it came from me. I just got the idea out of the air one day, like, hey, I came here for the PDF files, but I also have all the front end code. It's convenient for me since I'm more of a back end developer. I don't make things look pretty, so this was a perfect project for me. I didn't have to worry about the look of it. Since the look was already there, I just needed to make the back end all work. So I made this project to encourage teams to take more tryout format, let other people have a chance to get on a team for practices, for tryouts. So that was my idea of making this. Alright, so I'm going to go into the demo, and if you're interested, you can download it. It'll be on GitHub. I'm recording the video first before I do any blog posting or GitHubs. Okay, alright, let's start. So the first thing I want to show you is the admin user. So my admin user is Amanda, and we have this feature, and that's all it does. So the time is in Ohio Eastern, so EST. Now if we go to admin, we have an admin panel right here, and I had to guess what the admin side looked like, so it's not too pretty, but it's functional. So the first thing we're going to do is create a notification, because that takes a while. So here we have all of our groups. This is the admin group. These are all the users, and this is the team. We'll get to that later once we visit category. So I want to message everyone in the Midwest regional group, so I'm just going to do everyone gets this message. And the notification was created. I'm going to go back to my home OS, which is Windows. So we got Firefox, which will be Tri-C. And I'll say everyone gets this message. And over here we're going to do DePaul. And they're also going to get everyone gets this message. So this notification will last 5 minutes. So if this video lasts longer than 5 minutes, we'll see that it goes down in that time. And I'm going to create another notification. So we're going to do the same group, but now we're going to do one team only. So Tri-C message only. Your password request change has been improved, something like that. I'm going to hit save again. Now, when I refresh Tri-C, their message will change. But if I refresh DePaul, they'll still have that message. So we're going to look at the notifications. You'll see right here, I've done some testing. Same message, so Sunday, we got the notification. Today, Thursday, we have one. And then Tri-C only gets the Tri-C messages. Alright, so let's create a competition group. So you can do an admin group, that's a roll of 0. row of 1 and row of 2. That's the values I used in the database. And there's only two differences. The admin gets the admin panel, and then teams and users are basically the same thing. So we'll do a teams versus teams group. We'll do I don't know, Mid-Atlantic regionals. And we're gonna say they're gonna do it on the 31st, and it's gonna start at 9 a.m. and 31st at 10 p.m. We're gonna save that, and behind here, it's going to create the Mid-Atlantic Regionals directory. So when a team from that group uploads it, any injects, it'll go into that directory right here. I've been kind of cautious of using spaces, but the spaces work. It's sort of like a mystery coding thing where you're like, wow, it works. I'm glad I didn't have to fix it, and it works automatically. Okay, next, we did the category, so you know how that's created. I'm going to create an inject. So we're going to do group Midwest Regionals, multiple submissions. If they can submit over and over, this would be good for instant response. If the inject's active or not. Name, CTO wants YouTube access. Inject duration, 60 minutes. Let's do 3 because I want to see it expire. Points for inject, 60. From CTO to IT staff. Hi, IT staff. I want to be the only person in this company with YouTube access. Thanks, CTO. Now, when you type it in this format, it'll save in the PDF and in that format. Alright, so that inject was created, and if we go to try C, we will see we have a new inject that popped up. There's 2 views. We have this view. It'll tell us the start time, 13:05, and then 16:05 as the ending time. And then we also have the PDF. When I made this website, I wanted it to be a almost replica. Not like exactly, but pretty close. We're going to go to submissions now, and we'll see that we have this here. And once 3 minutes are up, you won't be able to submit. So we're going to say YouTube access. Hi there. We fixed this for you. And we can choose a file. I'll do the CCDC logo. And we're going to save. And right here, we'll see our submission. We can see that image. Now if we go to the admin side, we can see that we have a submission waiting for us to grade. We'll also visit DePaul too. DePaul also has that. This page refreshes every 60 seconds. But we'll revisit this at 16 just to make sure that it expired. So next thing I'm going to show the show database. This will show a few databases. Add service. We're going to add a service to try C. HTTP, my cart, IP address. If we go back to try C, we will get a service on the dashboard. Password change requests, we'll do that as well. We'll do HTTP, my cart, password, password. Hit save. We have that here, and when we refresh to password change request, if you're an admin and if you did that work to change the service password, you can hit save, and it'll update that box to true. Go back to try C. It'll also be true with an operation state of when the admin fixed that. Okay, grade submitted injects. We'll do try C, the inject. We'll get the comments, the title, the entry ID, total points, and then we can see the file that they uploaded. And then we can give them points for it. We'll just say 60. And that'll save. And then we have nothing pending right here. Alright. And as you can see, our notification's gone because 5 minutes has passed. So I think this is all I wanted to show. I also fixed the My account. This was broken on the original website. Times in EST, Eastern. And yeah, that's the project. And here's the table that I created. If you have any additional features or want to report bugs, just tell me. Okay, bye.